Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Got my decaffeinated coffee here. It's still pretty good. No, it's not as good. Hey, I'm happy to drink it. Let me tell you, I'm happy because my numbers are still dropping. Yeah, my numbers are still dropping. So that's a good, blessed thing. Very happy. Caught it early. Well, it's a nice morning here. It rained just a little bit lightly last night, not much to count for anything, but it brought a little bit of moisture, and any moisture right now when we're in a drought is appreciated. It's just quick little shower, and that was that. But hey, like I say, anything helps to keep that ryegrass that's sprouting from just drying right back up and dying. So if it can make it a little longer, maybe we get a little bit more rain. Boy, I hope for that. Miss Mel's been outside doing her morning chores. She likes to go around sweep and take care of everything. She got a little regimen on herself. And I've been continuing laying down floor tiles. This is what I worked on last night, was tiling here. I've got the area over here where the dining room table goes now. I've got to finish that out. Well, today when I continue tiling there on the floor, and I gotta go pick up my check from the sale barn, so we're gonna see how that went. We got the mobile home being worked on here. The guy that did my air conditioning on that home, reconnecting after we moved it and putting in a system over in the other home, his brother, I hired him to work on the walls inside of this trailer house. We could have done it ourselves, but I need to limit having so many things I need to do myself. So I bought all the material, and let me take you over here and show you what I'm doing. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So this is the paneling that I bought right here. This is a thin, real plywood paneling. Look what a nice finish these sheets have on them. Every sheet's consistent like that too. Every one. It looks almost like when they make it out of bamboo. It really does. It's got that long, straight grains to it. It's very nice looking. And what I'm gonna do is laminate that right over the top of these sheetrock walls. So instead of even removing any of this broken sheetrock, I'm just gonna put the full sheets like you see here. There's a line where a 4-foot sheet is. We're gonna do the same thing and laminate it right over these walls here. And then he probably moved them, but they're underneath this pile here. But I've got some brand new wood pieces underneath there. They'll do the same thing that the old pieces did. They had a strip, they've already removed them this morning. You see the stain. And we'll put a strip again, just like it originally had, and go through here and laminate that. And then with this plywood over the top of this drywall, it will make it very strong and durable as well. The next thing is on painting. I can just paint this if I want to, just like any other wall. Just give this solid coat of paint. I could stain it if I wanted to. There's a lot of options I could do. Or I could even do like a whitewash on it. And a whitewash is where you'll still see the grain, but it'll give it a white-like appearance, but still transparent like white appearance, and all of that grain will still show through. But what we'll do is take some scrap of it. Once they do their cuts, like I got to cut these angles up here and there'll be some drops, I'll take some of those scraps and I'll play with it several different ways and figure out which way that I'm wanting to do that. The cost on that project, pretty low, pretty low. Got to be sensible on these things. So I went and bought the material myself. Bought that at Lowe's. And I looked at several different places for that thin, what they call a utility panel like that. They use it in cabinetry and all. And the panels at Home Depot just did not look all that great. They were okay, but they just had that real like large wood grain like look to it. You know, you can tell where it was really a roll-off veneer of like maybe off some big trees. But I went to Lowe's and looked at theirs, and every one of them was consistent looking like this. Even in another bundle they had above, whatever their method is of making it like that, it was beautiful, and the price was real reasonable. The labor for these guys right here to come in there and put it in all the rooms is $1,000. So that's stripping everything out of the way, removing some other stuff, being able to get all the electrical boxes back right, doing all of that. And they're going to be liquid nailing it and stapling it. I took my Ryobi stapler over there, and they're going to be stapling it as well with these long staples like I used in the back room of where I put that thick exterior panel on the inside walls of our house. So $1,000 labor. I think the materials was somewhere around $500. So time I buy paint, maybe $1,600, $1,700 total, paint and some other trims. Check this out right here, man. Does that look good or what? I like it. Boy, look what we're gonna have for lunch. Chicken curry right here. Some curry in a hurry. Because she's hungry, so it was some curry in a hurry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she put some baby carrots, some potatoes. I had some chicken already thawed out. And what else did you put in there? That it?
That's
and
it.
then all the good old, the coconut. Of course, this is coconut chicken curry. She put coconut in it, and then, of course, the curry powders, curry seasonings. And it looks like you put some leaves in here, too. What, you got bay leaves?
Bay leaves and the black pepper, the whole corn,
The whole corn black pepper. Nice, 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 nice.
I add this one a little bit, this korma curry. And I mix also with powder, just a little bit of powder. I combine on it, and then coconut milk to make it more creamy.
Is that one of those we bought at Kroger?
Yes.
That we picked that up at Kroger over there. They had a whole shelf of all different kinds of curries, all different flavors of it. Like Thai curries, that's an Indian curry there. They had all different ones. So we decided we would just try them one by one.
It's been a while when I never cooked curry, so.
She put these potatoes in here. I'm going to skip around them some because I'm trying to get my sexy beach body back. Yeah.
Guys, this one is a bread that we recently ate, and it is really good.
This lavish bread right here.
Yes.
This Joseph's. She picked this up. It was on like, you know, the date out on it or whatever, going out at Walmart, and we picked it up really cheap. And man, it is so good.
There's a
flax, oat bran, and whole wheat, and just 60 calories, and one whole big piece of that too.
Yep.
That's pretty cool, man. We like it because we always like wrapping stuff up in these tortillas and all, and we've been getting these wheat tortillas for a while now, and they're actually pretty darn good too, these whole wheat tortillas. But man, this is nice, but this is nicer. And it being a big old square like that, it's easier to do wraps and stuff with it as well. I've been just doing vegetable wraps, putting avocado, either like spinach or like romaine lettuce and tomatoes. Maybe I'll make me a little sauce and put in there. I'll make up different little sauces I'll whip together here and put in with it. And just been kind of making me some vegetable roll-ups. Man, they are delicious.
I like it.
Oh, shrimp. I was boiling shrimp and putting shrimp in them as well. And this last time I boiled some shrimp and then I fried them off. Not like deep fried, just, seared them in the skillet. And man, they were so good in that right there. Little Kitchen Ninjas had our Instapot going. And you know what's funniest thing about Kitchen Ninja? Instapot has a competitor out there that's called the Kitchen Ninja. And it's the same thing as an Instapot. So I don't know why I bought the Kitchen Ninja, an Instapot, instead of a Kitchen Ninja. I guess there's only enough room in this kitchen for one Kitchen Ninja.
This rice is awesome. Huh? I like it.
Yeah. Well, let's head over here and see what's happening on the trailer.
You can cut this one, and then you have the two pieces to complete the bedroom and this. And we're gonna need a piece for the hallway and this one. And if you wanted to,
Let's finish this here definitely, so you can get those boxes cut and everything.
okay.
Let's make that piece more important to finish all there.
Okay.
Finish these others up.
So we use those pieces to finish it by the window and finish it there.
Yeah.
And the leftover we see we can use it.
That way.
Left. Maybe if you would have for this.
Well, we still got
small
this
pieces
too.
for this one. We have small pieces, but for here,
You do?
I don't know. It's one.
We might be after we change this cut in here. We'll see.
Yeah, we're gonna try to use all the big pieces, and there will be left a few pieces, like maybe this one, and the under the window. Under the window, but we have a car.
You have that corner one there also?
¿Ya tenemos que hacer? Sí. Well, no. We have this piece in here, 10 inches. 10 inches, and we have 10 and a half in here.
So what do y'all think about that? Isn't it a nice looking wood though? Just look at that. Doesn't it make an enormous difference? Then a case in those windows, man, it will be really nice.
Okay.
Oh, you're okay then, just catching this before it gets dark here.
Oh, yeah. That's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Well, y'all, tell me what you think about it. It's just first step now. This isn't finished or painted or sealed or nothing. Man, look how consistent and beautiful these sheets are. More lumber, more lumber.